Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my summary of the TPT Town Hall meeting that took place on September 13th. I started watching this while I was creating a product, and then I was hearing some of the stuff, and I was like, I need to stop, take notes, and share this with everyone. So let's get started. So, one big takeaway is that site-wide sales are down from the previous year. And they are saying that this August and September, EdTech businesses are seeing sales decline due to the funding and scaling back from the COVID tech funding. So, all of the funding that they were getting from COVID and incorporating e learning into the classroom is returning back to normal. And that is why we are seeing our sales decline. So they said in August, compared to 2022, we are down 7% in site wide sales. And then in September, we are seeing that this is down 5%. So that was something interesting. I know that a lot of people that I have talked to and within the comments of some of the videos are seeing that their total sales are down, and this could be a reason why. There was also something to me that was interesting that kind of made me wonder, is this the real reason why our sales are down? So, what happened in August? So, they said that they did this A B testing between the two sales. And at the beginning of August, we had our first sale. And what they said is that the first sale had a 2-day lead time, which resulted in sales being down 14.4% to the prior year. Now, for me, I'm like, what is lead time? I have no clue. I'm not super skilled in marketing. It's not my area of expertise. I'm trying to learn more, and the way I learn more is I look it up on the internet. So they said the lead time, and this is according to the website. I put it in the bottom part, but they said that the lead time is how much time it takes from the moment a customer requests something to when your team delivers it. So basically, lead time is the time that elapses from the moment of the request to the whole process of delivering a service or a product. So, from my general understanding, if it had a 2-day lead time, I think that it is when they let teachers know that they were having a sale. So they let them know 2 days ahead of time. And then for the second day, they returned to the typical 4-day lead time, and the numbers improved. I can't remember if they gave specific numbers. In my notes, I didn't have anything written down. So the conclusion is that they said that it's good to test A/B testing and seeing what works, what doesn't work, and that they are going to return to the traditional TPT sales model of having a 4-day lead time, and that there will be 2 sales in August and 3 more sales through the rest of the year. And all of these sales are going to have the 4-day traditional lead time. And part of me, and this is my own speculation, part of me wonders if our sales were down so much in August was because they did this A/B testing. Because 14.4% is to me, a large percentage of sales being down for the first sale compared to the numbers of the previous sale. So, I mean, that's just kind of my general conclusion, is that I wonder if this A/B testing had an impact on our sales, and that is why we were seeing our sales stay the same or be less. My opinion, do with it what you want. So they had some general goals. They talked about how they phased out school access, eliminated the personal search, and they said that their goals over the next year is to increase usability, and they want to eliminate confusion around buyers or target the friction points that the buyers have. So they talked about how there are certain points from when a buyer searches for the item to when they purchase it, that there are certain friction points. And one thing that they talked about is beautifying the site. So they're looking at Etsy, Amazon, eBay, and analyzing what makes buyers confident to buy on those websites. So from my background in graphic design and UI UX design, which is user interface, user experience design, it sounds like they are wanting to kind of rebrand their website, which is what we have seen in the logo redesign. And they are trying to make Teachers Pay Teachers more visually credible and enhance the interconnectivity and the workings of the website to make it a more smoother process of buying. That's kind of what I got from it, and just kind of what we've seen in general with the logo redesign. They're rebranding and they're targeting how the website functions and how it is going to be more visually credible, like Etsy, like Amazon, like eBay, and try to target that to make buyers more confident in buying from TPT. And one thing they said that they are not only targeting teacher buyers, but administration as well. So that is kind of their general goals. Then they went into marketing goals. So they're applying what works for IXL to TPT, and they're greatly increasing advertising spending. So one thing that they also talked about is with SEO, which is search engine optimization. They are starting at 0, is what they said, I believe. And there is room for improvement. So some of the things that they're doing is they're allowing search engines to crawl the site. And these search engines are websites like Bing and Google. And from my understanding of the presenter, is that they said that they want to be able to rank organically when someone searches for something specifically. So when they allow search engines like Bing and Google to crawl the website, it helps to give them better information and how they can improve on it. Like I said before, this is a little bit out of my skill area. I'm trying to learn more, but this is kind of what my takeaway was. And they also said a year from now, TPT wants to rank in results similar to other companies like IXL, education.com, and vocabulary.com, which education.com, vocabulary.com is a sub company of IXL. And they are wanting to show up in search engines just like these other websites. And then in August, they grew advertisement by 10 times, and they spent $500,000 on Google advertising. They also said that there is an increased traffic of daily visitors up to 10 to 15% year over year. This is not reflected in sales, but they say that it is encouraging for the future. And they said that a greater number of parent visitors are increasing year over year. So this is not just teachers, but it is parents buying stuff for their children, I assume, homeschooling, maybe homeschooling co-ops, different things like that. So a general note that I kind of got, which I was interesting, but I haven't heard too much of or don't quite understand, is that they said there have been reports of district bans on TPT due to malware. There was no actual specific districts reported, so there's like kind of nothing to back it up, but that's what they're saying, is that there's maybe reports of it due to malware. I don't understand that, but it was a general note that I thought was interesting since they addressed it. And then my general takeaway is that things will change. I think that we're just going to see a lot of different changes this year in TPT. And I'm going to continue on making products. I feel like when we see videos like this video that I had made, it is a lot of, should I continue on making products? Should I not? Should I just wait and see? I'm going to continue on making products as normal and post them on TPT and see where that takes me. And then also, do not put all of your eggs in one basket. I am working on diversifying my online income, and I am not just posting on TPT, I'm posting on other websites like Made by Teachers, Classful, teach simple, I think. And I'm trying to increase my overall income. So if something does happen to TPT, which I don't think it's going to, it's not going to harm me in the long run. So I'm just looking at different ways to diversify my income. So don't put all of your eggs in a basket. So hopefully you liked this video. Please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the thumbs up and also hit the bell notification so you know when a new video comes available. I also picked out a few videos here that you might find interesting. I will see you next time.